Okay, this was a callback rework service. Our guys put this in Friday. I sent me here to see what's going on. She said she had a leak. Well, she does. She needs a kitchen faucet. Informed her that has nothing to do with her brand new water heater. You gotta love manufactured homes. Yes, they would run soft tubing over here, hook it all up. Couple tubes to the bath, couple tubes to the bath, couple tubes to the kitchen, couple tubes for the laundry box. I assume that's where those two CPVC lines are going. The only thing I'm gonna bitch about to the boys is, why didn't you stock some 3/4 glue valves on your van and 3/4 glue valves on your van? They sell both of these stops and these valves with glue sockets. Now, I'm being sarcastic. I know you used what you had available. And why didn't you put an electrical box there? We stock those as well. Anyway, that's my only gripe. See you on the next one. The reason I like tank type electric water heaters, primarily because of the location. Palm Coast doesn't have gas available, and a lot of people just don't want to fool with propane. A handful of them do. But the on-demand gas water heaters have one great feature: unlimited hot water. Their lifespan is no greater than a tank type, and they sure have a lot more moving parts than a tank type. Hybrids, you're basically bolting an air conditioner running in reverse on top of the tank type water heater. Dropping off at the Ferguson's graveyard. A few hybrids, a few tankless. Stop in and say hi to everybody. Grab me a couple items that I have sold out of. I'm sitting here in Flagler Beach at one of the campgrounds. Just did a little visit. Customer bought his home, or I should say a manufactured home, about a month ago. Moved down here for the Florida life, and I have been there twice fixing some newly discovered plumbing issues. Well, he just discovered another one, so I'm gonna fix him up, get my young man Ian down here. We're gonna fix the leaking pipe, hopefully, and won't find anything else under there wrong like the last one I did with 5 sewer breaks in it. That video is really interesting. We'll be seeing that one soon. But since I'm here typing on the little cell phone app, I may as well have a nice view while I do it. So I'll film a nice little video of a drive through the old town. Nice bus. amazing city. There is stuff here from 1565 to today.